Hey there, it's Neal Romanek here, and I'm at the International Security Expo in London, which is co-located with the International Cyber Expo, which they call ICE. It's hashtag ICE 2025. They have a giant sign down there that says ICE. It's got lights on it. You can get your photo taken in front of it. Worst branding ever. Anyway, the show is pretty good though. I've come here to see what intersections there are between media and entertainment and security. So a lot of the stuff down there is, directly security related, like bollards to, keep people from running into your building, or, airport scanners. And some of it's a bit more general. There's, companies that do vetting for employees, or in the cybersecurity section, there's a lot of stuff around, just general security for your cyber infrastructure, for your IT infrastructure. But there are a few things that have real application to media industry, and we're going to follow up on those and hopefully get those companies involved in AU, which would be great, because AU is about resiliency in the media industry, and security is a big part of that, because if you're not safe, you can't be creative. Anyway, yeah, it's a really interesting show, and look out for some of the companies that we've been talking to here, and we're gonna be covering them and some of their customers. Anyway, going back down there where it's safe. Oh, actually, another thing, there was one company here that was doing like a stage show presentation. I'll have to see what the name of it was. And they were using hilarious climate protesters as an example of their security threats. Climate protesters, hilarious. That was like people kept pretending to be climate. It was pretty disgusting, because, if you are making fun of climate protesters as part of your security event, it seems to me that you may not understand security very well, and I wouldn't do business with you, because obviously you don't understand threats. Anyway, that was just my personal gripe. I thought that was pretty lame. Anyway, enough from me at the International Security Expo, and see you soon. Bye.